we are at CVS today. I am going to be taking a couple breaks on CVS lately. If you guys watch my personal vlogs, I explain kind of what is going on with CVS. But anyways, I'm really not liking the app. It does not work in the store. I have to spend more time trying to refresh it, get it to work, whatever. I've now started to clip everything to my card. Instead of printing off the CRTs, I just feel like it's faster with the card or faster with the app. But today they start the 2 weeks of freebies, but if you clip it to your card, it's only good for like 2 days. So if you guys live near CVS, that's awesome. For me, I will not be getting all the freebies because I don't live near a CVS. I live like 15 minutes, 20 minutes away. But I'm still excited to get my freebie today because this will be perfect for my vehicle. My kids get hurt, especially my daughter. But today is the freebie of the first aid folder thingy. But let's go inside, share with you guys some deals, and let's have fun shopping. So today's freebie of the day for Sunday, July 10th is this free CVS case. It just says free CVS case. Looks like there's different colors to choose from. It is $3.99, but it does go towards a deal where if you spend $12, you get a $3 extra care buck. But I'm not sure if I'm going to do the deal, but I'm definitely going to get my free case for my first aid kit. Okay, so there's two different dial deals that we can do. It's one or the other, but we can get the regular dial body wash. These are $6.79 at buy one get one 50% off. I do have a $2 off of 2 insert coupon that I can use. I also have a $2 off any dial body wash bar soap that I can also use. So you would end up paying just $6.18, but then you get a $2 extra care buck when you purchase the 2 of them. Makes them $4.18 or $2.09 each. Otherwise, you can buy the little things of hand soap for $2.69. I don't have any coupons or CRTs to stack this with, but you would pay $4.03 for it. You get that $2 extra care buck, making these $2.03 or $1.03 each. So it's one or the other, but I think I'm gonna get the body wash. Okay, so the General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.99. So you could get the General Mills cereal for $1.99, and then I have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that I can use. I'll pay just $2.98, but then there's an Ibotta rebate deal where you get 25 cents back with Ibotta with a limit of 5, making 2 boxes of cereal just $2.49. or $2.48 or $1.24. But I actually have a CRT where I get 3 off of 12. So what I could do is buy 6 boxes of General Mills cereal for $1.99, use that 3 off of 12 CRT, and then I have $2 off of 2 digital coupons. I'll end up paying $6.49, but then you get $1.25 back with Ibotta. It is a limit of 5. So you get $1.25 back with Ibotta, making it $5.69 or just 94 cents each if you guys need some cereal, which is a great deal. The Colgate mouthwash and the toothbrushes this week are $4.49. I have a digital coupon for $1 off for the mouthwash and the toothbrushes, so you're going to buy 1 of each. You'll end up paying just $6.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Another scenario that we can do is you're going to get 1 of the Colgate toothbrushes that is $4, or you're going to get 1 Colgate toothbrush for $4.49. You're going to get a Colgate mouthwash for $4.49. You're going to get the toothpaste that is 2 for $7.98. Sorry, you guys, my store is not marked. And then you're going to get 2 of the Colgate Optic Whites that are $7.99 each. So you're going to get 6 items all together. Now I currently have a 5 off of 30 Colgate CRT that I can use. I also have a 7 off of 2 digital coupons. Sorry you guys, it's not focusing. 7 off of 2 digital coupon for the 2 for $7.98. I have a $1 off Colgate toothbrush, and then I also have a $1 off Colgate mouthwash, which is not popping up right now, so I'm going to use that. And then I also have the $3 off Colgate Optic White toothbrushes, so I'd pay $15.94 for all 6 items. But when you buy two of the mouthwash and the toothbrushes, you get a $5 extra care buck. And then when you buy 2 of the Colgate Optic White, you get a $6 extra care buck, making it $4.94, or just 82 cents each. So here's my situation that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get 2 Colgate mouthwashes for $4.49, 2 of the $4.49 toothbrushes, and then I'm gonna get 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that is 2 for $7.98. What I actually have is I have a printable coupon for the mouthwash and the toothbrushes, so I'm gonna use 1 of each of those. And then I also have the digital coupons that I will be using. Also, here is a digital coupon for that. And then I have a 5 off of 25 CRT that I will be using. And then my app is not working to scan the items, but then I will be having that 7 off of 2 digital coupon that I'll use. And then I'm also using the $1 off digital coupon for the mouthwash. So I'll pay, or for the toothbrushes, I will pay $9.94 for all those items, all 6 items, but then I get a $5 extra care buck for every 2 that I buy of the mouthwash and toothbrushes. So all 6 items come out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7. Now we do have a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that you guys would end up paying. You would pay just $4 for the 2 of them, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making them just $1 each. The whole blends is also on sale this week, 2 for $7, but we do have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon, and I think there was a printables, so you guys could use that 4 off of 2 coupon and get 2 of them for $3 or just $1.50 each. Hi everybody, welcome back to my CVS haul. I was in there pretty quick, you guys. For once I was in there for an hour, which is awesome. But I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now I tried to share with you guys a little bit more different deals than what I truly do, and I will try to do that in different scenarios because everybody has different CRTs. But let's just dig in. I ended up getting the cereal deal. I was debating on it or not, but my kids really like it, and I should start eating like a little bit healthier, so I'm like, we'll eat some Cheerios. I've been trying to cut back on a lot of the sugary cereal, even though Cheerios is sugary, but it's not as sugary as like Lucky Charms are. But these are $1.99, and I had 2 $1 off of 2 digital coupons that I used. I also had a 3 off of 12 CRT that I ended up using. So I paid $6.49 for 6 boxes of cereal, which is a pretty decent deal. But you actually get 25 cents with Ibotta times 5. So I got $1.25 back with Ibotta for buying 6, or for buying, technically I bought 6, but with the 5 I got $1.25 back with Ibotta. So I ended up getting 6 boxes of cereal for just $5.69. That's 94 cents each, which is a great deal. If you guys love donating food, I donate cereal all the time to this local shelter, but it's also a great price to donate if you guys want to donate food. So yes, I ended up doing the Dial body wash deal. The Dial body wash, these were $6, and where did I write this down at? Like it's right in front of my face. These were $6.79 at buy one get one 50% off. I had a 2 off of 2 insert coupon that we got in today's inserts, and then I had a $2 off CRT for body wash. So I paid $6.18 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $4.18 or just $2.09 each, which is an okay deal. I know we can probably get better deals, but I think usually that's kind of the price that we're gonna get for Dial body wash. So I also got 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. These were $4.49, and then I also got the Colgate toothbrushes. I really like the black ones. My husband's favorite color is black, so he's always excited to use the black toothbrushes. But I ended up getting this, and then I also got the Colgate toothpaste that was 2 for $7.98. So 4 of the $4.49 mouthwash and toothbrushes, and 2 of the 2 for $7.98. Now I showed you guys different scenarios for that, but I ended up having a 5 off of 25 CRT that I ended up using. I paid $9.94. Sorry you guys, I totally skipped it. I had a $1 off digital coupon for this and a $1 off digital coupon for this. I had a $1 off printable coupon for this and a $1 off printable coupon for that. And then I had this 7 off of 2 digital coupon for the toothpaste. So paid $9.94 for 6 items, but then you get that $10 extra care buck back, making all 6 items absolutely free and a 6-cent moneymaker. So not much moneymaker, but hey, I'll take it. I will totally take it. So I was excited for that deal. I also got the freebie of the day. It is the case. This is perfect. I like to put Band-Aids, all that little first aid kit stuff, and I would actually recommend keeping these in your car. If you guys have little kids, majority of you guys do, you're in your car, and that's when they get hurt the most. They're always like falling down at the park or doing something. This is a perfect little kit to keep in like underneath your seat with Band-Aids and a first aid kit. But I absolutely love that. I know Target gives them away when you buy like 3 packs of Band-Aids, but that is an easy freebie today, and it's only good, when I clipped it to my card, it was only good for tomorrow. So these easy freebies are only good for like 2 days. So unless you guys are driving to CVS every day, go for it, but I will see what happens. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. I had that 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You would end up just paying $4 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $2 or $1 each. One thing I forgot to mention is also, if you guys are not familiar, is Lucky Charms or General Mills has a app where it's box tops, and you guys can actually use the app and you scan your thing. You can choose a school that you want, you can choose a specific grade that you want, you can also choose a specific school that you want. It's all awesome. So now, since my son is going into 2nd grade, I will be changing the schools information about that. So my grand total came to $1.06 for everything. I ended up using $26 worth of extra care bucks back, but I only did receive $14 back, but that is okay. With Ibotta, I will be receiving a $1.25. I don't know if I got my $1.25 back yet. No, I have not gotten it back yet, but I will be getting a $1.25 back with Ibotta. My final total came to $11.81 or 17 items. I got everything for 69 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal, but for $1.06 for all that stuff, I think is a great deal. I ended up saving $96.02 for everything. So pretty excited for that. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know by subscribing to my channel. I love it when I get new subscribers, and I love helping out with anybody and everybody that I can. Thanks for watching. I'll possibly see you guys next week. Probably next week, because I got to get some more freebies, but we will see. Thanks for watching again. See you guys later. Bye-bye.